Outstanding achievements in academics, arts and culture, sports, leadership and entrepreneurship, young Jamaicans are making their mark, presenting themselves as men and women prepared and empowered to transform a nation. Recipients of the 2014 Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence were recognized for their talent and the work they have put in to achieve impressive goals. In a ceremony at Jamaica House on April 6, 25 young persons ranging from ages 15 to 24 walked away with top honors from various categories. They were chosen from more than 40 nominees. In the category of arts and culture, Christina Williams and Kadeem Wilson got the nod.
I've teamed up with some very brilliant actors to do a program called Paper to Stage. Paper to Stage is a literature workshop geared at putting the literature books from CXC on stage so students can understand it.
Theo Smith took the award for entrepreneurship, while 4 persons were recognized for international achievement. Farley Artwell, Kaisha Newman, Gavin Samuels, and John Powell.
My main contribution is through robotics and STEM education, that's science, technology, engineering and maths. Me and my team have been going across Jamaica. We are working through the Digital Yard Foundation, so we're getting access to high schools all across the island. The objective is to actually get students to develop an interest in science, technology, engineering and maths.
Young sportsmen and women were also hailed for their prowess on the field of play. Awards went to Javon Francis, Christina Harwood, Yannick Thompson, Martin Manley and Yvonne Foster. In the category of youth in service, there were 5 recipients: Sedge Rowe, Lamar Rowe, Jamelia Crooks, Kadisha Croney and Terrell Christian.
I'm so much involved in volunteerism. I started an annual health fair in my community, which is the Raytown community. So even throughout the Police Youth Club movement, I use this as a way to reach out to youth, motivate these youth and show them that they can rise above these challenges.
Tijani Christian and Amorcard Brown were honored for their leadership skills. In the category of academics, the recipients were Abigail Allen, Everett Mosley, Nicholas Wright, and Shahir Gay Grant.
Some of the things that drive us to achieve is actually being selfless, right? Not living for ourselves, and trying our best to, as we develop ourselves, help others.
In the youth work category, 2 organizations were recognized: the Youth Organization for Upliftment and the National Interschool Brigade.
I'm most proud of your determination to try when it gets difficult.
We celebrate their academic brilliance, their dedication to detail, their devotion to excellence, their creativity, and their courage. We celebrate their perseverance, resilience, service, and their entrepreneurship.
Achievement doesn't happen overnight or by accident. It requires hard work. The success of our nominees is a result of staying true to their mission by pushing themselves to do more than they did yesterday, when they felt like leaving it all later, overcoming self-doubt, and silencing the naysayers who tell them they cannot achieve their dreams.
These young people dared to be different. These are the young people who did not surrender to negative influences. They were not daunted by swimming upstream, and they were not distracted from their goals in life. They did not fear the tides and waves. Indeed, they were propelled by them.
Coming from rural and urban areas, these young people straddle all social and economic backgrounds, proving that regardless of circumstances, everyone can achieve their goals. With ambition and determination, the right thinking and actions, our youth can confront the negatives around them and turn them into positives.
Yes, there are challenges, and there will always be challenges. There is not a perfect world. But what I can guarantee you is that even if there are challenges, there are opportunities there that you can make a way out.
And as the Ministry of Youth and Culture works to improve those opportunities, the administration is staying the course, maintaining its focus on long-term goals.
The Vision 2030 statement guiding our national youth policy outlines our overarching goal: all young people in Jamaica are educated, empowered, confident, caring, responsible, healthy, and possess critical thinking skills to be innovative and globally competitive, while being respectful of diversity and the rights of self and others.
The Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence, celebrating the accomplishments of our nation's youth, inspiring a better tomorrow.